Hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete all your browsing history. So if you are someone who is worrying that someone might track your browsing history, then this video is right for you. Okay, let's dive in quickly to the process. First is you need to go to the first browser, which is the Google Chrome. Okay, so once you are being redirected here, go to the upper right side of your screen and locate the three dots to customize and control Google Chrome and then scroll down to find settings. Okay, click on that. So once you are here, look at the left side of your screen. Go to privacy and security, tap that. And then here under the privacy and security, you can see delete browsing data. So we'll be going to this. And here it asks you to put a check marks about the browsing data that you wanted to delete. So let's put a check mark about this browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. So just delete data. Select that. Okay. So once done, let's go to our second and last browser, which is the Microsoft Edge. Just have to do the same. Click on the three dots here up at the upper right side to see settings and more, and then locate settings. And then go to the privacy search and services and scroll down to locate delete browsing data. So here it has this clear browsing data now. So we are going to click this choose what you want to clear. So it asks you again here about the things that you wanted to delete, about the history, about the downloaded history, the cookies and other site data, and the cached images and files. So it just completely deleted all your cookies in your computer. So just simply click on clear now. You can also go to or choose the time range. So you can also go to last 24 hours, last 7 days that you browse, and last 4 weeks that you search in your computer. Okay? So you just have to simply clear now. Okay? So if you have Firefox browser, you can also do the same as what we just have done. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.